I have a short code for you. 3701778. We don't jailbreak shit. Find the app we're looking for, select it, download it to our device. Movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. I'll show you apps you can't find in the App Store. All for free. Head over to the Find icon. Our little magnifying glass here with our remote. Pull down, and in the search field, hit the select button on our remote, and it brings up a keyboard. On this keyboard, we're just going to actually type D, and hopefully this word downloader shows up for you. If not, you may have to spell out the entire word. So downloader, one word, highlight it, click on it. This is Downloader, the application you need for your device to get these awesome apps. So select it. Here it gives you the option to get it, download it, and install it. So click on it. Here I already own it. Yours may say get, so it installs it onto your device. We're not going to open the app up quite yet, but we can hit the home button on our remote. And we'll go all the way over to the settings guy, the very last icon, pull down, and here we have My Fire TV listed. If you don't have My Fire TV here, it might be down here, and it also might be called My Device. So we're going to select on that. I have developer options here already listed, and if you don't worry. Highlight About, select it. And then here, mine says Fire TV Stick. Yours may fit, say, 4K or something light, maybe. Select it about 7 to 10 times, and then down here says no need. You are now a developer, so congratulations. Welcome to developer options. Please be mindful. This does not work on the new Firestick OSs, the Vegas, the select models. So back at 1, developer options is here now listed. If it's not for some reason, please unplug your device. Wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in. It should pop right up. Developer options. Turn on ADB debugging. Highlight install unknown apps. Select it. Here it gives you a list on apps that are available to be enabled. And we can turn downloader on. If you have an older stick and it doesn't get this far, and it just has here an on and off switch, that's you're enabling the ability for it to sideload applications. I'm going to show you one little trick. If you totally skip this part, you don't even have to worry. So I'm going to turn this off. This is our jailbreak. It's not jailbreaking. So let's go to the home screen and find Downloader. So head all the way over to the 3 squares plus sign, select it. Come down to Downloader. Highlight it, and we can use actually our 3-line button on our remote. And here it says, little sub menu, move to front, more, offload, uninstall. I'm just going to move it to the front. And then when we go to our home screen, here's Downloader up front and center for us. This is going to be our new App Store, folks. Highlight Downloader. And yes, allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. Select Allow. So Downloader works just like a web browser. You could enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, http://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. It's a little much, right? So I have a short code for you. It's so much quicker. So here we have this little red circle, which acts as our mouse, and our remote acts as a mouse. So up, right, down, left, select buttons to enter. So come up, over, highlight the search code area or search term. We can select into it, and here it gives us a keyboard, and here is our short code: 3701778. And then you just come down here and hit next. Just sends Downloader straight to the Led by the Unknown website, so we don't have to type in this entire URL, and boom, we're here. Once the site loads, use our 3-line button on our remote. And here we have add current page to favorites, so we can select that. And here it says save, like our downloads name, our URL, and push save. And then next time you come here to get another great application, you can hit your 3-line button. It says favorites, highlight it, and we have now download. So you can select it. It automatically loads the screen up for us, and away we go. No more redirect, no more short code, no more remembering what to type in. Now on this page, we have the apps. Check them all out. There are plenty. We have also some tutorials and videos for you to follow along, please. Let's head her down. And we have movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. If you're looking for sports, follow along. If you're looking for movies, check out the other apps. TV shows, live TV, they're all in here. Multiple languages. You need it, you asked for it, here it is. So what we do is find the app we're looking for. So in this case, AK. Select it. Downloads it to our device. Oh, I didn't jailbreak our Firestick. We don't jailbreak Firesticks. It's just an option. And if you didn't set this option to start with in Downloader, the install unknown apps portion, don't worry. The device does it for us. Our Firestick does it for us. If you have an on box, it does it for us. Here, it's going to tell you, hit settings, select. Install unknown apps, select. Highlight, find the app you want to enable, Downloader, turn it on. That's it, guys. We don't jailbreak shit. It's just a flippant option. Back out, and it's going to reopen Downloader for us. And here, now it gives us the option to install. So select install. And that's the one and only time you have to worry about it, honestly. Whether you do it beforehand or you do it during, it's the same stuff. Down on the bottom right, highlight install. Give it a few moments here. And then highlight done, and it's done. The app's installed. Now it gives us the option to delete the installation file. So yes, delete it and confirm the delete because we don't need this extra, the APK files on our device. So they're now gone. We just have the app, we're good. So that first time it did boot us out of Downloader and booted us back into the install. So we are obviously on the Downloader page, which is fine. We can just hit the 3-line button because remember, you did favorite it, right? If not, rewind, go back 370178, okay? Favorites, downloads, select it. Back on the page, and we can go all the way back down. So let's see what we got here. So we have some sports. The big purple F here. It's better than ever. Now this is a different way to download it. Don't accept, don't push the little X. It's got a little countdown of like 5 seconds. So download is restarting. If you pull down a bit, bring this blue bar up here, then go across, hit the white download arrow, and it starts downloading. Don't read anything else. Just follow that step. Simple. Then same thing. Down the bottom right, click install. And since Downloader is now enabled to sideload applications, we don't have to worry about going back in for that setting. And then done's highlighted, so click it. Same thing, delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now if we back out twice, maybe a third time, and we're back to the download page. And guys, there's other options here. Like I said, multiple languages, movies. We're looking for the sports, right? Click. And again, like I said, download, bring it down a little bit. It's got the little redirect. Bring this to about here, just so that it's above this black bar, and then do that. There's an ad here that pops up and it gets in the way if you do it down there now. Super simple. Down the bottom right, install. Click done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now that we've gotten those 3 applications, and if you're looking to download Kodi, follow along at the end of this video and I'll show you how to do it, okay? In the meantime, I'm going to go to the home screen. Let's find these great applications. So 3 squares plus sign, our apps and games section. And here's our apps that we have on our device now. So we can 3-line button, move to the front. 3-line button, move to the front. 3-line button, move to the front. Now this is our shortcuts menu right here for us to use. Guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. If you have other applications or questions about, please feel free to throw a comment in. Check out the page and the tutorials, and they will explain more than a little comment can. Okay, I appreciate you. Happy streaming. Peace. Don't forget, it's not jailbreaking. Anyways, Kodi, follow along for the rest of this video. All right, enjoy. Peace. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips and tricks and how-tos. And here we can open up Kodi. We'll hit continue. Allow to access photos, media, and files on our device. Okay. Here we have Kodi. Come up, hit the settings icon. Hit system. Add-ons. Slide over, come down to unknown sources, turn that on and say yes. Back out. We're going to go to File Manager. Add a source. Highlight the field and we get a keyboard. And in this keyboard, we're going to type in a URL. HTTP. We need a colon. Right now we have a semicolon, so we have to come down here to the shift and we get a colon, so colon // and here's a new digs. And then once you have it all written in, just head over and click OK. If you get some kind of connection error after this, that means you didn't type it in properly. Here there's a name for it, so remember that and then click OK. We'll back out, hit add-ons, come down to zip. Look for the file that it was named, so digs, and the zip. Wait a few minutes. There, it's installed. Now from the repository, select dig. And here we'll go down to program adds. We have Chef Wizard. It used to say Chef Omega. It doesn't say Omega anymore. It no longer doesn't auto install. We have to manually do this. So we can click on it. Install. Wait for a little bit. There is a counter meter here for the percentage that has been installed. So it's at 0. Then it'll go to 33. And then it's done. So it says it's installed. So we just select it one more time. And down here now it says open. So we can click open. Kodi gives us some options here. So we use the build. And we can try the first one. Say continue. And here, it's getting everything good to go. I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for following along. I hope these tutorials help out you greatly. I know some of these videos may seem repetitive. They are. 95% of my viewers are brand new, have never seen a video. So if you've seen this one multiple times, I really thank you. I'm updating the store constantly. There's forever changes going on with the Amazon Fire TV sticks. We're staying on top for you, okay? Now that it's done all that, it will ask you to force close so we can say, okay. So remember, I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick tips, tricks, and how-tos. Please follow along. This is just a demo for you guys to understand how to do this yourself. All right, thank you, take care, peace.